I'm Dr. Erik Herrmann, professor at Concordia Seminary in St. Louis, and this summer I'm going to be leading a workshop called Lutherans Listening to C.S. Lewis. C.S. Lewis is one of the most well-known Christian authors of the 20th century, and perhaps one of its most important. He has delighted audiences young and old with his fiction, but also with his writings on literature and his writings on apologetics. In this workshop, we're going to look at themes in Lewis's writings that intersect with Lutheran theology, especially themes on the theology of the cross, faith and reason, the role of a Christian in a scientific world, and the role that beauty plays in ethics. Now, there's no prerequisite of reading for C.S. Lewis in this course, but if you would like to read something in advance, we're especially going to look at his essays in The Weight of Glory, his book on the problem of pain, and his final novel, Till We Have Faces. I think it's going to be an enjoyable time, and I look forward to seeing you this summer.